Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence with two groundbreaking products, Gamma AI and Beautiful AI. Gamma AI is an advanced AI-powered analytics platform designed to revolutionize data analysis, while Beautiful AI is a cutting-edge presentation tool that simplifies the creation of stunning visual presentations. Let's explore these two innovative solutions and compare their key attributes, such as features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Gamma AI features include advanced data analysis. Gamma AI offers powerful data analysis tools, enabling users to uncover valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. Predictive modeling. With Gamma AI, users can leverage machine learning algorithms to forecast trends and optimize business strategies. Automated reporting. Streamline reporting processes with Gamma AI's automated reporting feature, saving time and improving efficiency. Customizable dashboards. Tailor dashboards to specific business needs, visualizing data in a way that's intuitive and actionable. Smart templates. Beautiful AI provides an extensive library of professionally designed templates tailored for various industries and purposes, allowing users to kickstart their projects with ease. Drag and drop interface. With its intuitive drag and drop interface, Beautiful AI enables seamless content creation, empowering users to arrange elements effortlessly. Data visualization. Utilize Beautiful AI's powerful data visualization tools to transform complex data into engaging charts and graphs, enhancing the clarity and impact of your presentations. Collaboration features. Collaborate in real time with team members through Beautiful AI's collaborative editing and commenting features, fostering seamless teamwork and communication. Custom branding. Personalize your presentations and documents with custom branding options, including logos, colors, and fonts, ensuring a consistent and professional look. Export options. Beautiful AI offers flexible export options, allowing users to export their creations in various formats, including PDF, PowerPoint, and image files, for easy sharing and distribution. In terms of pricing, Gamma AI offers a tiered subscription model starting at $99 per month for basic features, with premium plans available for larger organizations at $299 per month. On the other hand, Beautiful AI offers a free tier with limited features, with premium plans starting at $12 per user per month for additional functionality. Gamma AI boasts a robust user experience with its comprehensive suite of data analysis tools and customizable dashboards. In contrast, Beautiful AI excels in providing an intuitive and visually stunning presentation design experience, with drag-and-drop simplicity and AI-powered design suggestions. The pros of Gamma AI include advanced data analysis capabilities and customizable dashboards, while cons may include a steeper learning curve for beginners and higher pricing tiers. Beautiful AI's pros include stunning presentation templates and an intuitive interface, but cons may include limited advanced analytics features and reliance on internet connection for collaboration. Alternatives to Gamma AI and Beautiful AI include other AI-driven platforms such as Tableau, Prezi, and Canva, each offering unique platforms and pricing structures tailored to specific user needs. Ultimately, the choice between Gamma AI and Beautiful AI depends on your specific requirements. If you prioritize advanced data analysis and predictive modeling, well, Gamma AI may be the better choice. However, if you value a stunning presentation design and intuitive collaboration tools, Beautiful AI could be the ideal solution for you. We suggest you sign up for a trial of both products and experience their capabilities firsthand to make an informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and product reviews. Thank you for watching.